guys, small now. They play me foul.
Why are you? Forget this thing now. Let me get this game.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey.
They playing game. You got my girlfriend got for me an Apple laptop. Yeah.
It's nice. Unlike some people's rich girlfriend that you can't even get anything.
To make it go away. I don't like this feeling.
Babe, see, I'm tired of this relationship. We need to break up.
What? Were we even dating? Were we even
I don't like this feeling.